What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today we're taking a look at a case that I picked up for my Google Pixel Fold. Now I picked this up on Amazon.com. The price is going to be $13.99. So it's a budget case. I actually picked this up on Prime Day, so I got it cheaper than that. So I actually bought it because I like the colors and the look of it. So this is a ultra thin hard polycarbonate case. It has the carbon fiber and faux leather look. Does support wireless charging, and you can get it in red, blue, and carbon fiber color. So let's go ahead and look at it. So it just comes in this little plain wrapper here. Nothing special about it. Like I said, it is a budget price case, but I actually thought it looked pretty good. I don't always have to have the most expensive cases. I buy what I like. So here's the back of it. As you guys see, has carbon fiber on this side, has this nice red accent stripe there, and the faux leather look on the end right there. So it's going to be very thin as well. You guys see, so it's going to keep your device very thin. And then here's the front piece. So no carbon fiber or anything on the front. And so let's go ahead and drop it on the phone. So the Google Pixel Fold is in the house. I have been truly enjoying this device, and I will do a follow-up on it later. So to pop the back piece on is just that easy. Let's go ahead and pop the front piece on. So no issues there. Now, no adhesive tape on either one of these, so we have to see just how well they hold on. So going around it, no hinge protection. You guys see the bottom of it. You got your mics that are wide open. Push that one over a little bit. Offline just a little bit on that one. You got your speaker, charging port, and two other mics. They line up good. This one, I may be able to get it to go over just a little bit more. It did a little bit, but not quite. So open on this side, so you shouldn't have any issues getting to your power, fingerprint, volume up and down. And then at the top, you got to cut out for your mic and speaker. You got a little bit of a lip on the back for your camera, so be mindful of that. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Doesn't add a lot of thickness to your phone here at all. And then here's the front. You got your earpiece cut out, and that's it. So it feels good in the hand. Let's go ahead and try the fingerprint sensor. As you guys see, I got into that very easily. Swiping up from the bottom, no issues. Swiping from the top, no issues from this side, from that side either. And then let's take a look at it with it open. So you're not going to have any lip area here if you want to lay it open, lay it flat with the device open. But you can see just how thin it is. Not too much more here. And like I said, getting to your power button, volume up and down buttons there are very easy. So let's go ahead and check our wireless charging. Let's see what we got here. So wireless charging on deck, no problem with wireless charging. Let's do that one more time. No issues with wireless charging. So a nice looking budget case for your Google Pixel Fold. And like I said, I'll definitely drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Will H. I'm out.